Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you on how to create a custom alarm ringtone on iPhone 2025, and here's how to do it. First of all, you have to download the sound. Make sure you have the sound you want to use downloaded on your device. Then the step 2 is you have to use GarageBand. Open the GarageBand app, swipe right to it and select audio recorder, and then you have to tap the playlist icon until a microphone appears at the top. Press then the blue triangle to make sure it is active. Press the blue triangle to make sure it is active. Now let's move forward to the third step. You have to import your sound. Tap the loop icon, a little loop at the top right, you'll see right here on your phone iOS. Then the top right, go to the files and tap and fire downloaded sound, like tap on fire downloaded sound, then drag it to the timeline or set. Tap the plus icon at the top right, turn off automatic and set the true length to 15 seconds. 5 is you have to export, the fifth step is you have to export ringtone. Tap the arrow at the top left, then my songs long, press your track and tap share, choose ringtone and give it a name. Before tapping expose 6, set the sound of your alarms. Go to the clock app and set up a new alarm. Tap sound and scroll to find your newly exported Reno save and set the alarm. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring. Goodbye.